Hi, Facebook crowd. This is Smokey. This is Glenn's cat. Smokey, say hi to everybody. He's camera shy.
Yeah.
And he's about 8 years old, and he's neutered.
Still has claws.
He still has claws. He needs a home, and if you guys could share this video and find out if there's anyone that would like a beautiful cat like Smokey. Mary,
and preferably, we're hoping it's a home that doesn't have small children. He's used to being in a fairly quiet home with an older, supposed to be master for a cat, but he is a nice cat. He likes to go outside if possible, but I think he could change if he had to. He's a lovely cat. He's looking for a home because he's just lost his master. So,
okay, guys, share and post and see if we can find a good home for Smokey.